At last, we meet for the first time for the last time. Have you ever had to replace your solenoids and springs? Hi, I'm Grizz with the Turnstile crew here at Avant-Garde. We bring you the best tips, tools, and products to keep your organization secure and up and running. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to learn more. We love hearing your suggestions and questions in the comments. Today we're going to be changing a Hayward HT431 full heights springs and solenoids. We're going to first confirm that there is no power to the turnstile. Looking for our green LED in our power supply. And we're going to remove this top plate. To do that, first, disconnect your solenoid. Remove your micro Schwartz activator. 2 screws. And remove your top plate. Now please note, there are labels here for fail secure and fail safe, which is underneath the brackets. So we'll go ahead and remove this one to show this. So with that solenoid removed, you can see fail safe is using this configuration and the green dots, and fail secure is using this configuration with the red dots. Once you have the solenoid removed, you'll want to remove the spring from the plunger. Go ahead and inspect the plunger, and if there's no damage to it, you can clean the plunger from any debris that might be on it and reuse it. Go ahead and get a new solenoid. Reattach your spring. Place your solenoid in the proper position and reinstall it using the 2 Allen head bolts. Once those bolts have been tightened, you'll reattach your top plate. Reattach your activator. Reconnect your solenoid. And power on the unit and test for operation. If you need on-site service from one of our turnstile specialists, please contact our service department. If you feel like your turnstile is beyond repair, check out the link in the description for a list of full height turnstiles that are typically in stock at Avant-Garde. Hopefully you found this information useful. If so, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. If you have suggestions, please leave those in the comments below and feel free to message us anytime. Thanks for tuning in to the Turnstile guys, and we'll see you next time.